As surveillance infrastructure increases, why is SAN the solution for centralised storage? Well, here to answer that for us today, I'm joined by Zubair from Seagate and Anand from Secure Logiq. There's a partnership in place on a global level between both brands. But what should people be considering in the Meta region specifically? Why SAN? There's so many different options on the table. Subbiah, I'm going to put that to you from Seagate's perspective initially.
Yeah, I mean, from a video surveillance industry or application, there are three different types of storage technologies commonly being used, depending upon the type of application it is. One of them is the DAS technology, the second one is NAS, and the third one or the last one is centralized SAN storage solution. Now, all these three different technologies have got its own application. But however, to answer your question in specific, why SAN? The advantage of SAN is that it is scalable solution. Today you have a 1,000 camera, maybe in the next 2-3 years that 1,000 will become 5,000, 10,000. So accordingly your storage requirement expands, and that expansion could be in the same location or it could be in the multiple location. That's where SAN helps a lot. That's number one. And number two, SAN technology has got zero dropped frames and a very, very low latency or a zero latency when it comes to the performance side of it. The third advantage is the interface is more stable when compared to other technologies that are available in the market. I think these are few key things to look into SAN, especially when you're looking at larger deployment or when you're looking at a futuristic deployment. When it comes to Seagate, Seagate offers different solutions based on your different requirement. We have a small scale solution as low as 12 bay, followed by 24 bay, then we have an 84 bay solution. When it comes to 84 bay solution, the single 84 bay solution can scale up to 6 petabytes, and all our bay solutions, the controller units comes with dual controller and dual power supply. That puts us in a very unique position when we offer our centralized SAN storage.
Zubair, thank you for explaining the difference really and why people should be considering SAN. Is there anything that you would add to that from the Secure Logiq position, Anand?
From Secure Logiq, the bits I would add is that first of all, the Seagate SAN storage is resilient by design, and the solution that we're actually offering in partnership with Seagate is that they're all dual controller with multiple connections and when we design a solution, we offer expert advice and on how to install, configure the solution. And when we do that, we bring a lot of not individual, but in both companies, the expertise to provide that solution. So as Zubair said, you know, it's resilient, it is scalable, and for us, the design team, it is very much the way to go, especially in this region.
Anand, thank you for expanding that out. Gentlemen, it's been good to understand why people should be looking at SAN as a centralised storage solution. And we appreciate you taking time to speak with our audience at Security On Screen today. Thank you.
Thank you.